Hi everyone! Today, let's practice house cleaning sentences slowly and clearly. Ready? Let's go. I wear gloves. I wear gloves. I get a bucket. I get a bucket. I fill the bucket. I fill the bucket. I add soap. I add soap. I pick a cloth. I pick a cloth. I wash the clothes. I wash the clothes. I dust the table. I dust the table. I clean the shelf. I clean the shelf. I wipe the TV. I wipe the TV. I dust the lamp. I dust the lamp. I move chairs. I move chairs. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I collect dirt. I collect dirt. I empty the dustpan. I empty the dustpan. I check corners. I check corners. I remove cobwebs. I remove cobwebs. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I clean carefully. I clean carefully. I smile proudly. I smile proudly. I keep working. I keep working. I finish this room. I finish this room. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I watch TV. I watch TV. Now subscribe to Easy English Daily. Bye-bye.